State-run NLC India Limited has officially commenced coal production at the Pachwara South Coal Block in Jharkhand, marking a major milestone for the company's upcoming thermal power expansion and strengthening India's domestic fuel security. ONGC has achieved a major offshore milestone by commencing gas monetization from the Daman Upside Development Project, strengthening India's domestic natural gas production. The DUDP project, located in the western offshore region, about 180 kilometers northwest of Mumbai and 80 kilometers south of Pipavav, has achieved monetization through the commissioning of Platform B 1224P. Mineral Exploration and Consultancy Limited has inducted 2 advanced drill rigs at the Gonkhairi Coal Exploration Project, marking a major step in its technology-driven modernization efforts. The new rigs were inaugurated by CMD Indradev Narayan. Chief Minister of Arunachal Pradesh Pema Khandu, along with Deputy Chief Minister Chauna Mai, visited the Subansiri Lower Hydroelectric Project of NHPC Limited to review progress of the strategically important National Hydropower Project. Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited has announced the receipt of a major order from NTPC Limited for the development of the Telangana Stage 2 Supercritical Thermal Power Project. The notification of award valued at over 13,500 crore rupees was received on March 29, 2026 and disclosed to the stock exchanges on March 30, 2026. MCL has achieved a major operational milestone as Team Bhubaneswari OCP recorded an impressive 1.6 lakh tons of coal production in a single day on 29 March 2026. The achievement marks a new benchmark for productivity and highlights the company's continued commitment to efficiency, safety and operational excellence. NBCC India Limited has announced a major international project win after receiving a letter of intent from the Government of the Republic of Seychelles to act as project management consultant for a large-scale housing and infrastructure initiative. Bharat Electronics Limited and a premier defense electronics company has announced the receipt of additional orders totaling 1,660 crore rupees. The new contracts were secured since the company's last disclosure on March 17, 2026. Bank of India has successfully redeemed its 9.30% additional Tier 1 bond Series 7 worth 602 crore rupees after exercising the call option on March 30, 2026. The bank shared the update with the National Stock Exchange of India and BSE Limited under SEBI's listing obligations and disclosure requirements regulations. NTPC Limited has informed stock exchanges about a change in senior management following the superannuation of Arindam Sinha, Regional Executive Director. According to the filing, Arindam Sinha will superannuate on March 31, 2026, marking the end of his tenure in NTPC's senior management.